Hey guys, it's a little late at night, but I had so much issues trying to find the fucking Nova parts. I just gave up right now. I'm taking a break, so we're gonna do a bike build. No, not you. Leave me alone. Bike build. That one looks fine. Alright. God, that looks just awful. That looks fine, so 0.9. Wheel radius, all. Gonna stay about there. What can I do with wheel width? Oh Christ. That doesn't look good. Say about there. It's 1.0 in the front. And 1.2. So 1.2. And then what I put in the front? Put 1.0. Yeah, say about that. Actually, no, it clips a little bit. 1.1. Anything else I want to do? Necessarily. Mudguard. No, mudguard. Meh, we'll leave it stock. Exhaust pipe. Get that one. Fork shield. I genuinely have no idea what the hell that is. Oh, it's a skull. Okay. I'm gonna say none. Wait for the headlight. Repair pack. Yes. And that should do it. Rims. Can I switch the rims on this? I can. I'll stick with the old one. Oh, wait. No. That one's better. Tires. Just no. Do I want to put a wrap on? I could. About that. I guess that looks fine. Yeah, it looks fine. Bright red. Alright, there we go. Just because I needed a bike to go do a backflip with, and that's pretty much it. That's the only reason. Stump park. Oh, this thing's slow. Yeah, that wasn't the best looking. Here we go. Oh, we were close. Man, I really gotta get this thing upgraded for, like, Christ's sake. Did that count? I don't think that counted. There we go. Alright, let's go see what we can do on the upgrades. And see what's next. No, 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 no. No. Hurry up and get your shit done. I like that game though. It's a fun game. At 100 miles an hour. Okay, I want to get this upgraded a bit. think we're good. But to hit 100 miles an hour, where are you? There you are. My patented, fully blown, fuck you, we're drag racing. Love this. Well, this is a good map for. Oh, wonder what time it is for quick money and top speed. Come on, you can hit 100. You can hit 100 easy. There we go. Well, that's our bike build. No. Fuck you. You ain't getting free advertising. But yeah, not really much on a bike build. It's a bike, after all, so. Yeah, there's that. It is a bike. But I did want to do a bike build eventually, so I guess this is a good time of that as any, so yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to bed. I'm fucking tired.